Alright, so the first thing you gotta do, disconnect the battery, take the shroud off the bottom of the steering wheel cover, or column, put a key in, turn the key to ACC, so only spot it'll work in, and you're going to take some sort of right angle piece of metal, pretty hard, and it's kind of short, probably about 3/4 of an inch, maybe less, probably 1/2 inch, and jam it in the hole to the side. Press the button in there. Sometimes it can be a pain. You just push the button, pull on this. Alright, so I was pushing this button in, sliding out at the same time. This button right here. See it? Now on the side of here, you can see it. See that little channel? Okay. And then in order to put it back in, put a new one in, which this is already new. The key's got to be on ACC. And keys pretty much vertical, facing that little white piece up there. Just push it right back in. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your questions, comments, and criticism below. I am new to YouTube, so anything helps.